Hi guys, you are welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I make this my chicken pasta. Yes, so if you are new, you are highly welcome, but don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Kindly subscribe to my channel and I promise you're not going to regret it. So let's get straight into the video. So here are all my ingredients that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be introducing them to you guys one after the other. So here I have four sliced cheese. I have here 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt. I have here my chopped onion, and I have this amount of garlic which I'm going to be chopped later. And here is my cheese. I'm using I'm sorry, I said cheese. This is my chicken. I'm using chicken breast, which I have already diced into this, and I'll be using this chopped tomatoes. And here is my pasta. I'll be using olive oil, and this is my mozzarella shredded cheese. If you like, you can increase the amount of cheese that you had, and if you like, you can stay. This is all my ingredients. So next I'll start cooking. Guys, I thought I was recording. Anyways, I just added the chicken. I added my chicken and I had a little bit of salt. So I will cook this until it is well cooked, not too brown. I'm not going to let it brown, but I will cook it until it is well cooked. In this stage, I will be adding my chopped garlic as well as my onion. So now, guys, I will be adding my my chopped tomatoes. I forgot to show you guys, I will be adding some chili powder. This is Nigeria chili powder I'm going to be adding. Stir that together. And I will add this cheese, guys. I'll add the sliced cheese for creamy texture. So after adding the sliced cheese, I'll add an additional salt. Stir it together. I'll stir it together and I'll cover it and let it boil. Guys, this smells so good. I can't wait for this to be done. Then I'll cover it, allow the pasta to cook before I will be adding my mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, so this has been cooking for 5 minutes now, and I'll be adding the cheese. So guys, wow, this is ready. I just turn off the heat. I turn off my heat and I will take it off the heat.